Guys, it's another hair growth video, and today we are making rosemary hair spray for you. If you are struggling with your hair, your scalp, you are not seeing any significant difference in your hair, the antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties in rosemary is able to help you grow back your hair, your bald spots, your edges if you are having issues. Yes, you just have to be consistent and use it very well. So today we'll be using just rosemary in this video, and I'm sure that you are seated and you want to hear some of the tremendous benefits on the importance of using rosemary. So guys, rosemary is a tried and tested herb. It means that it has been scientifically proven to do wonders. Yes, it has been scientifically proven to do wonders. It's not just any ordinary herb that will even though Ayurveda doesn't have full scientific backings, they are very potent. Rosemary, on the other hand, it was tested alongside minoxidil, and it was proven that when used consistently for at least 6 months, you are going to see significant difference in your hair. So in making this hair tea, we transfer the rosemary into our container, and because it's hair tea, our carrier will be water. Yes, you can either decide to boil the water or just infuse it into the container for hours or sometimes overnight. Yes, but in this video, for the sake of this video, we are just infusing it for 15 minutes. Yes, and we'll be using hot water instead of cold water. Yes, so guys, if you are struggling to grow your hair, your bald spots, for instance, try using rosemary either as an oil or as a spray. I like to use it as an oil because it is infused better when used as an oil, but then all the same, they are all very potent. So you could tell that the color is changing. This here means that it is extracting the nutrients for the rosemary into the water. Yes, and that is what we need. We need the serious extraction here so that the nutrients in the water will be infused into the nutrients in the rosemary will be infused into the water, and that is what we are looking for. Yes, so after it is infused for a while, because I said that I'm just leaving it for 15 minutes, I just strain it. Yes, I don't need the herbs anymore because it's just the water that I need. It's just the nutrients, the extraction that I'm looking for. So once this happens, I just strain it and then I get rid of my rosemary, because that is not what I need in this video. That is not what I need on my hair today. I just need the water. Yes, now come with me during the application. You see me scratching my hair. Good. I'm telling you that if you are facing severe scalp itchiness, use this, because it's going to help you. It's going to really take care of it's going to soothe the sensational effect. It's going to soothe your scalp if you're having issues with your scalp in terms of itching your scalp constantly. Yeah. So in this video, I had already moisturized my hair, so I'm just spraying the rosemary onto my hair and then I add in some water. You could tell that I'm trying to massage my hair. Guys, massaging the hair is very important. It's key. It's the key to your growth. When I say it's the key to your growth, when you massage your hair, you are able to revive the follicles. If they are sleeping, that's massaging gingers it to grow. It's like a growth tactic. So that massaging is free. You don't need product. You can just use oil and then you massage it in. When you do that, you'll notice that the growth rate has really increased. Yeah. So as you can see me do, I am just spraying the rosemary onto my scalp directly. Yes, you can spray it on your hair and then your scalp, however you want to do it. Yeah, someone will ask me that how often should I use this rosemary spray? Use it 3 to 4 times in a week alongside your hair oil. This is a homemade oil I made here on this page. I think there are videos here on this page. Yeah, even though this is a different one, it's a mixture of both olive oil. This is a mixture of both neem oil, aloe vera oil, and papaya oil mixed together. But then I have videos of how each of them were made here. So as you can see here, I'm just applying or spraying the rosemary onto the hair. So what are some benefits of using rosemary? Rosemary is able to revive dormant hair follicles. When I say follicles are dormant, they are not dead. They are just relaxing. nothing has triggered it yet to grow, so they are just sleeping. It's like when you push shea butter down, if I should push shea butter under the sun, I have revived it. I have gingered it. The molecules in it are now running instead of solid. So that same thing applies to our scalp. There are some follicles at some part of our head that are dormant. It doesn't mean they are dead. It means that it needs to be revived. And using rosemary as water and spray, massaging it in, you are helping it revive the follicles. And what happens when your follicles are revived? It promotes hair growth. Yes, so when your follicles are revived, they are awakened to grow. They are receiving a message that, hey, I have to grow. Hey, I have to grow. Yes, exactly, that's the point. So just massaging your hair will revive your dormant follicles. Rosemary also stimulates hair growth. Yeah, so this is an interconnected benefit, because it is stimulating hair growth. Because you are massaging it, it is stimulating hair growth. That's the ripple effect of massaging your hair. Once you massage your hair, you realize that your hair is actually doubling in growth. Rosemary is able to revive dormant follicles, stimulate hair growth, and also grow bald spots. Yes, if you are targeting a certain particular part of your hair that is not growing, using rosemary, because rosemary is able to grow bald spots very, very, very well. Guys, if you know me, you know that I'm trying to grow my edges, so every opportunity I get, I do well to massage it. As I record this video, I had a very busy day the day before, and today very early in the morning I just woke up, sprayed some hibiscus tea on my edges, and then applied my hair oil. Yes, because I cannot go a day without massaging my edges. Yes. So guys, I hope you have learned something from this video. So this is me using rosemary, telling you about the benefits of rosemary and why you should use it on your hair, because it's going to stimulate your hair growth. It's going to make your hair grow well, thick and dense if you are consistent with it. If this is the first time you are seeing my face, guys, are you not educated? Don't you like what you heard or what you've seen? If you like it, do well to subscribe to the channel so that you are informed, so that you are educated, so that we all are in the journey to grow our hair together. So guys, this is the back of my hair, and can you see how dense it is? Like, I don't joke with the density of my hair these days. Yes, if you have any comments, if you have any questions, if you have any suggestions, my comment section is always open for you to always drop your questions, your comments, your suggestions, and everything you have for me. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Victory sign. Bye.